Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. Today we are going to learn about how to convert your Google Sheet into the REST API Node.js. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my videos. So let's get started. So here you can see that I have already created a REST API for whatever data we have in the Google Sheet. So here you can see that we have the Google Sheet data with name, age and the city. So the Alice age is 15 and Chandigarh. So you can see that we have the data like name, age and the city. So how we are going to do that? We are going to learn in this video. Let's dive into the code level. So here we have that one. So you require Express Google APIs library. So you need to install this package, Google Auth library, body parser, Express. This is the port, and these are the details that you get it from the developer console of the Google Cloud, right? So if you don't know how to get this one, you have to watch my previous videos regarding the Google Sheet API Node.js. Okay. Next, we have the scopes and the credentials to authenticate. Then we have the client, then sheet mentioned with the authentication, then the sheet id. Sheet id would be the this one. So this is the sheet id. Okay, just copy this and add it over here. Next we have the get data from the sheet. So I have added a sheet spreadsheet values, so I'm getting the values with the spreadsheet id and the sheet name. Okay, so this is the sheet and the range as needed. So I'm just managing the headers. Okay, here in one, combining the headers, then mapping the data and object dot from entries, then map the header with the values respective and return that one. Okay, returning the data. And then we are calling the API over here, get data from the sheet. Whatever data they are returning, we are printing it out in a response.json as a JSON format. Okay, if something goes wrong, it will go with the response failed to fetch the data. Okay, and then app listen to that port. Simple, easy and very easy part. If any doubt, any query in that, just to let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.